Hello everyone, hola, nikau, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to one of the coldest cities on earth called Yakutsk. My name is Matthews, aka Matthew08 from Zambia. Today's temperature is plus 40. Why am I even saying plus? It is minus 40 degrees Celsius outside, and I decided to do such kind of a video when it is quite visible outside, because for the past 3 or 4 days it has been dark. And you know, here the way it is, because of such kind of temperature, you go to sleep, it is dark, you wake up, it is dark, you go for work, it is dark, just like this. And here you are going to find that apartments are built in so many different ways. Most of them here, apartments are built like they are kind of scattered together, compared to big cities where you're going to just find an apartment complex. So in today's video, what are we doing, guys? We are just exploring a typical new apartment here in the Coldest city. Right now I'm living in a studio apartment, so we're just going to check out how it looks, the design inside, and at the end I will tell you the cost of apartments here in the Coldest city, like how much you can pay or how much I'm paying for this apartment where I am staying in at the moment. And I just want to show you something. You see, this is how most of the apartments here in Yakutsk are built. These are new apartments, and there is a twin apartment as well, which is on the other side. Here you're just going to find, I think, 2 apartment complexes. The rest, they are just scattered like this. This is how they are built. So if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate that you always come back to my channel. So let's go, we get inside, we see how things are. Where is my key? Before I even, you know, sometimes I forget where I did put my key. Wow. And you are going to find that bicycles are parked outside. They are frozen during this season, because no one wants to ride a bicycle. Let's just get inside together, we see what I am talking about. That's it. And you're going to find, this is where I'm going to find the security, who checks who gets in, who gets out. I tap, it opens, boom. So mostly this is how the first floor looks like. Well made. And down here you are going to find different apartments. And if you want to save money, here there is a machine where you can buy cheap drinking water. Like 1 liter is equals to 4 rubles. So 1 liter is equals to 4 rubles. It is quite cheap compared if you are buying from the shop. So this is our first floor, how it looks. And me, I am on the second floor. Let's wait for the elevator. These are some of the boxes where if you have got a letter, they put, and if you've got an apartment, you just come and get it. Me, I'm on the second floor, so let's just close. You can even see the lift, they are quite modern. I'm wondering, yeah, that's one thing that I was wondering, that here in all the modern lifts you are going to find that there is a camera there observing what is happening inside. And this is how apartments are constructed, especially right now, the new apartment complexes that you are going to find. Just look at everything well maintained, because you know a lot of people, they ask me how do they build apartments, or what are the cost of apartments. I'll tell you everything. So guys, welcome to my studio apartment here in the Coldest city called Yakutsk. We are just touring the apartments and checking out how these new apartments are built, especially that I'm even coming from the shop just to buy some groceries. See, there is this, as usual. If someone is calling, you use it to open the door. Here, if you want to switch off electricity, and mostly here, because here people, they wear jackets, they wear winter jackets. It's very important that this is where you hang your clothes. This is how the modern apartments are being built right now here in Russia. And it is not only here in Yakutsk. You're going to find that across Russia, this is the standard how they build apartments, to make sure that they are quite comfortable for all the users. So if you are wondering on how to rent an apartment, if you want to come to Yakutsk, probably, if I won't forget, I'll put some of the links or the apps where you can find apartments, because it was very hard for me to find an apartment for a month in this place. Of course, you are going to be greeted by this nice belt wardrobe where you can put your clothes. Since I'm a man, I don't even have so many things to put, so most of the spaces, they're just quite empty, especially that I'm staying alone. This place is quite enough for me. Well, you can even see everything. This is my bag that I usually use, or my luggage bag that I usually use whenever I am traveling. So what are we doing today? Today we're just touring the new typical Russian studio apartment. Even if it's a studio apartment, most of the apartments, they're just built like this here. So many things where you can put your things there. That's where my things are. It's quite spacious, especially if you are alone and you are a man. And there is a mirror here. I'm wearing my Zambian jersey. It's quite old. I think I bought it in 2015. And I've seen a lot of t-shirts about Visit Zambia. So if you're watching from Zambia and you've got the Visit Zambia t-shirt, please send it over to me. I want to be a freewill ambassador for Zambia. And here, this is the bathroom or the restroom. Bush. Man, I like the design of this apartment, especially, the interior design, how it looks. It is quite comfy. It is quite on point. It feels like I'm at home. It makes me feel like, I've made it in life, though I'm just starting off. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate that you always come back to my channel. What I paid attention to is the washing machine. It is very important. You are going to find that in most of the apartments, they've got washing machines. So it is important that you rent an apartment with a washing machine where you can just wash your clothes in peace. Then we continue here. This is of course, there is enough running water in this place. Toilet, of course, the sink here where you need to wash your face, you need to brush your teeth, and of course the mirror after you finish everything, where you can just check how you are looking after taking a shower. And this is a present from one of my friends who works as a flight attendant at Aeroflot Russia. Yeah, I like it. It looks so nice. And now, of course, everything, you're going to find the shower there where you can put your things, where you can even hang your clothes. Now let's go to the main room. And apart from that, you're also going to see how these lightings, the lamps, they put them. That is the speaker in case of fire. That is the speaker in case of fire, because here they pay much attention to details. Well, let's go to the main room. It is dark at the moment. Let me open. So there's two systems. If you want, you switch on the other side, you switch off, you can switch on the other side. So it's up to how you want it. Now let me switch them. Oh, bush. Just look at the interior design. So this is a welcome to my studio apartment here in the Coldest cities, and they are built, you know, with big walls. Why? Because in this place it is very cold. I think in my next video I'm going to tell you how they heat apartments here in Yakutsk. How apartments are heated, what are some of the unique features, or what are some of the things that they include when building apartments here to make sure that their people are warm during these long winters, especially that here winter lasts for almost 6 months, from October to end of April, somewhere there. Well, this is the design of everything, and of course, before I even forget, look at the floor. These are I don't know if I can call these tiles or what, but they look so nice. I like it when everything is just timid, so clean, so neat. And this is my bed and my couch at the same time. You know, when you are beginning, this is the beginning. I'll be remembering that, oh, I used to sleep at a couch like this. Yes, yeah, you can charge your phone there. And look at the curtains. Wow, so beautiful, so well designed. Here, look, so nice. And apart from that, you are going to find a table here. This is my working place where I work from and where I eat from most of the time. So if I'm editing videos, if I'm doing anything, I'm planning on how to make a video, this is where I sit. And you can even see different, you know, things, chocolate. You can even see those seeds that people eat. Apart from that, there is also a TV. You're going to find a TV, of which I only watched it on the 1st of January 2025, because I just wanted to see how people are, you know, living their lives and how they are, you know, doing everything during that season. And of course, the cupboard, this is the cupboard as well. This is quite you know, things that you are going to find in almost all the apartments. This is not the Piatetagny apartment, because, you know, they are old Soviet apartments which have got only 5 floors without a lift, very small. But this one, this is a modern apartment, or modern studio apartment that we are touring together. Would you live in such kind of a place? I think after I tell you the price of this apartment and in general, you are going to decide if you can live in such kind of an apartment. Well, the cupboard, and of course here you're going to find running water. You wash your things, and there is also, you know, for this almost everything here is just quite empty. Why? Because I'm alone and I don't even like cooking. That's where you put your trash. I'm not a fan of cooking. Plastics all over. And this is a stove that I found in this place. It is quite odd, but since I rarely cook, so it is fine for me. Well, it is very important to have a refrigerator, although you can, you know, just put your things outside because it is very cold most of the times. But you know, when you don't want to freeze things, it is very important also to have a fridge. Almost all the apartments, you are going to find that they are fridge. That's what I'm saying, almost empty. There's a piece of meat that someone gave me. I need to cook it when I have time. And here you're just going to find this. You're just going to find, you know, this juice. This is the only things that you can find in this place. I think we've toured this place enough. I've showed you everything that you're supposed to see, the interior design and other things, especially the ceilings. They are so fantastic. They are so, well decorated and well made. Well, guys, what do you think is the cost of this apartment? Yeah, what do you think? Let's pause for a few minutes. You just think before I tell you. I can say that, well, God has been amazing. God has been, my everything. That's what I can say, because he's managed to make it for me to rent such kind of a studio apartment in this place. And most of you keep on asking, what am I doing here? I came here to visit this place because this is a place that means a lot to me. This is a place where my kids are from, and most of you, I'm a father. I've got twins. I hope one day you are going to have a chance to see them. Oh, I forgot to show you that there is also a balcony. Oh, yeah, today it's warm. That is the balcony there. The hanger there where you can dry your clothes. Look, yeah, this is just how it looks. I think in the next video, if I don't forget, I'm just going to make a video of how they keep apartments warm, or how they heat apartments in this place. So guys, I'm renting this apartment monthly. Yeah, monthly. It is 35,000 rubles. That's what I'm saying. I'm very grateful to you guys that you always watch my videos. It is because of your support that I'm able to move, to come to this place, to create content and to rent such an apartment. And apartments, I don't know why apartments this time around they have increased the price. The rentals are quite expensive, because I was thinking that the maximum that I'm going to find a studio apartment here in Yakutsk, it is going to be 25,000 rubles, which is about $250 US. Unfortunately, I couldn't find such kind of a studio apartment, so this is the only one that I found, and this is the only place where the owner agreed to rent it out for a month, and I'm renting it for 35,000 rubles, which is I can say roughly more than $300 US. So I'm renting this place for more than $300 US. And if you want to support this channel, guys, the only thing that you can do is to subscribe, like, share, comment, so that these videos are recommended to other people, so that we can continue growing together. This was just our small tour of this new typical studio apartment here in the Coldest city or town called Yakutsk, here in Yakutia, the Coldest region in Russia. Otherwise, I really appreciate. I'm always grateful that you find time to watch my videos. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I'll see you in the next video. It was Matthews, aka Machu08 from Zambia. As you can even see here, this is the Zambian jersey. And if you are watching this video from Zambia, you've got so many t-shirts for Visit Zambia. Please send 2 or 3 for me, so that I can be wearing them whenever I'm creating vlogs in each and every place. I love you. Peace to the rest of the world.